What if leading politicians valued children's lives over dollars?
I will always accept the help of anyone who agrees with my agenda.
What if 19-year-olds didn't have access to weapons of war? What if, before someone buys a gun, an extensive background check and mental health screening is performed?
I could stand in the middle of Fifth Avenue and shoot somebody and I wouldn't lose any voters, okay?
What if all people of age registered to vote and got rid of those taking money from the NRA?
I bet we can get people in here to give you exactly as much money as the NRA would have.
But it's not. I understand. And you're right.
What if the children of America become more powerful than our politicians?
We want